America's best-selling truck just keeps getting better, and the 2026 Ford F-150 is here to prove it. Whether you're towing, hauling, or just driving the family around, this latest version blends power, comfort, and tech like never before. Welcome to Next Gen Reviews, where we bring you honest takes on the latest vehicles so you can drive with confidence. Let's break down what's new with the 2026 F-150. Design. From the outside, the 2026 F-150 keeps its bold, muscular look, but with some subtle refinements. The grille and headlights have been updated for a sharper, more modern edge, and new wheel designs give each trim its own personality. Inside, Ford continues to elevate comfort, with improved materials, more storage, and a cleaner, more intuitive layout. Performance. Performance-wise, the F-150 offers a wide range of engines, from the tried-and-true 3.5L EcoBoost to the hybrid PowerBoost and the all-electric Lightning trim. For 2026, Ford has fine-tuned the powertrains for better fuel efficiency and smoother delivery. Towing and payload numbers remain competitive, making this truck just as capable at the job site as it is on the weekend getaway. Features and technology. Tech is where the F-150 shines. You get an updated ANC 5 infotainment system, a massive touchscreen, wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and available Blue Cruise hands-free driving. Ford also added more advanced trailering assist tools and smarter driver safety features, all designed to make your life easier on and off the road. Conclusion. So, is the 2026 Ford F-150 still the top dog in the full-size truck world? With its blend of toughness, comfort, and cutting-edge tech, it just might be. What's your take? Drop a comment below. And if you enjoyed this review, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to Next Gen Reviews for more down-to-earth, real-world vehicle breakdowns. Thanks for watching, see you in the next one.